Hello everyone, welcome to my third video in the Talking Math series. And sorry if you were expecting on seeing a video about subscripts and superscripts, I lied. Today we're going to be looking at how to type all of the Greek letters in lowercase and uppercase. So in the Greek alphabet system, predating back to before Christ, era BC before Christ, and today we have 24 Greek letters as opposed to the English alphabet, which has 26 letters. So a neat fact, 24 in terms of its unique prime factorization can be expressed as 2 cubed times 3 and 26 equals 2 times 13. Also akin to language appropriation, our predominant pronunciation of Greek letters is downright wrong most of the time. Like beta, in our words, is not the correct way to pronounce the letter B in the Greek alphabet. It's actually pronounced beta, and pi should actually be P, in other words, but I'm just nitpicking over here. Let's just go and take a look at this table I have of all of the letters here that you can type. So all you essentially have to do, as usual, is type in your forward slash or backslash. I believe it's a forward slash, and then type in the letter of interest you need to know. So within the Greek alphabet, here are the following letters. We have alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, z, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, epsilon, phi, chi, psi, and finally omega. And if you want the uppercase versions, you just type in the forward slash with capitalized letter. You'll notice that I have 3 boxes where I've highlighted certain lowercase letters in blue because you have, at least in the Microsoft Equation Editor, variants of some of the symbols. I'd like to pay attention to epsilon or epsilon, I should pronounce it correctly for a second here. I highly recommend that you use the variant version. Var means variation, I would presume. And the reason is because the normal case of the epsilon here looks very similar. The set notation we use to note that there is an element inside a set. So say I have A, I have an element A, and it belongs in a set A. This version of our set notation looks very similar to our candidate epsilon, unfortunately. So I highly recommend you use this one instead of that for this reason. The other ones are just, I hardly see this version of theta being used, and I hardly see this version of sigma being used in modern literature today. So please stick to using this version of theta and this version of sigma. So now that that's on the way, let's just have you take a look at me typing a bunch of nonsensical arithmetic with Greek letters. So let me just write omega minus chi phi rho plus epsilon minus alpha divided by beta equals gamma. That's one nonsensical made-up equation I have over here. Let's try another one. Let's see, zeta, 3 zeta minus 4 sigma plus 5 pi equals omicron. And then finally, let's see, delta, oh, that is cursed, equals mu rho lambda divided by xi iota Do I do beta again? No, tau. So I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video, I promise, will be about looking at like superscripts and subscripts. So yeah, until then, I hope you have a pleasant day.